OnePlus Pad 4 has been launched in India as a successor for the OnePlus Pad 3, which debuted in September 2025. The latest Android tablet flagship one comes with a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset pad with 12GB of RAM, 512GB of UFS 4.1 storage. It features a metal unibody design at 5.94 thickness, weighing 672 grams. It has a 13.2-inch LCD display with 3K resolution, 140Hz refresh rate, 540Hz touch sampling rate, up to 1000 nits of high brightness mode. The screen is 7.5 aspect ratio, 12-bit color depth. It has a large 45,260 mm square vapor chamber. It comes with a massive 13,380 mAh battery supporting 67 watt fast charging. It has a 13 megapixel rear camera with flash and 8 megapixel front facing camera. It runs Android 16 based Oxygen OS 16, and it should run up to 5 windows simultaneously. It has 8 speakers, dual microphone, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, 5G sharing, USB Type-C port. Official accessories include OnePlus Stylo Pro and Smart Keyboard. It's available in Dune Glow and Sage Mist colors. It will be available on sale starting May 5th via OnePlus India official online store, Amazon India and Flipkart. The pricing is $630 of $59,999 for the 8 to 56GB variant, where the 512GB variant is $64,999 or $685.